arrangements. The IBC was cleared, and we were up to face a good experience campaigning and selling our policy. We came from Kosele following the Kindi route into Uyugis. We had about 3 peaceful stops. When we got to around the area around Uyugis post office, and the crowds from either side of the road were cheering wildly. And we also had one of the people entertaining our crowds, so Tony Nyadundo, going along with us. We noticed a crowd of riders and youth, well built, in orange regalia, wearing the orange symbol with orange capes, numbering say about 70 to 100, and they were coming in hot pursuit of us. I was addressing the masses, and when they got to us, they said, you cannot pretend to be so popular. You must quit this race. There's only one candidate we recognize. So I ignored them and continued addressing the crowds. And they said, you're pretending you are not noticing that we have urged you to quit the race. The next thing I saw was somebody hit my Prado windscreen. One of the orange boys. We know some of them. We know some of them from Kisumu. We know some of them from Dewa and Homa Bay, and a few locals. So my bodyguards and driver suggested that we should leave this place because we are going to be injured, because that was the next. They had the conversation going on. They were wielding machetes. Before we could leave, they went to the vehicle, the Prado, the Probox that was behind me, and smashed the windscreen, with a rock, a stone. They smashed it, and it has left a big hole. They went again to the vehicle, a Carina, that was also having my security right in front of me. With a machete, they slashed it with a machete. At that point, we decided, it's better to leave and tell the story later than die in the hands of these youth who might not be themselves. They probably could be under influence, and they have been, instructed probably to injure us and to threaten us, scare us, to quit the race. We drove straight to the police station. Tony Nyadundo, who was with me, was injured. He was on the ground singing along the tarmac. They stepped on him, they hit him, and he has marks. We have come to record and get the P3. We are also at the station to report this matter. That we want peaceful campaigns in Kasipul. God chooses a leader. The people vote and give a mandate to their leader. But we cannot go and get to the era where if somebody feels threatened by your candidature, they start intimidating you and trying to force you to quit the race. I want to urge my supporters that I'm going to go in this race to the end. This scare is not going to make me quit the race. We must change Kasipul for the better. Our people have too many challenges that cannot be confronted or managed by machetes or by blows. It can only be managed if there is peace and harmony in the constituency. And this is my prayer. This is my urge to all of us, and even to our competitors who have done this damage to us. I want you to step back, go back and rethink your campaign methods. Try and talk to the people. If they agree to vote for you, they shall vote for you. If they say they want Otiende, who is myself, then they shall vote for me. Why must you insist that the orange symbol is the one to be voted for and not the sabuni which I have brought, which is supposed to clean Kasipul?